How to add zip file theme in Shopify. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So the very first step which you want to do is simply go to your online store. Once you are here, you will be automatically brought to your themes section, and right over here you can pretty much see all of your themes. Now, over here, there is an add theme button, as you can see. You want to click on there, and here you can see upload zip file. Now, if you click on this, here you pretty much want to click on it and add your file or drag and drop it on here. The maximum file size is 50 though, but once you have added your zip file, we're not done yet actually, because now it will be added to your theme library. And as you can see, Dawn is my current theme and Ride is simply in my library. So how can we actually set this as our current theme? So if you find Shopify extremely useful, but you're still on the free trial or you're deciding if you would like to use Shopify or not, or you know someone, then if you click on the link in the description or the pinned comment on this video, then it should bring you over to this page, and pretty much you can start a free trial and then enjoy your first month for only $1 or euro. So make sure to grab this deal now before it is gone, and good luck with your store. Well, over here you can see publish, and if you click on there, I'll just do that, to be honest. If I click on publish, this will now be switched. And as you can see, Ride is now my current theme and Dawn is now my theme library. So if we now click on view my store, as you can see, it's completely changed just like that pretty much. And yeah, that's it. So that's how to add zip file theme in Shopify.